This will be a brief tutorial on how to use part 3, 4, and 5 of the intake form. When you're in TaxWise, you'll see on the left that we have the main information sheet, and that for the most part comes as a default. But there's another form that you can add by clicking on Add. And from here, I can take and click on this interview sheet and hit Add. And now you'll see on the left that the interview sheet has been added to this return. And you'll take a look and see that it looks very similar to the part 3, 4, and 5 of the intake form. So for example, if I take and look at this intake form, they have yes checked for wages and salaries. So if I take and click on wages and salary and hit yes, on the left you'll see now the W-2 has popped in. The next one that they have checked as a yes on the intake form here is interest and dividends. So if I take and scroll down and look at interest, which would be line 3, I can go over here and check interest, and then keep an eye on the left hand side here and see what happens when I click yes. So now we have a Schedule B that arrives. So the benefit of going through, I'll do one more. If I were to look at my intake form here, and I'll notice that this person has unemployment compensation. Line number 12 has been checked. So if I take and find unemployment, which is line 8 on the TaxWise, I can go over here and click on number 8, and you'll see that now a 1099-G worksheet has popped up in the tree on the left. So the benefit of going through and taking the time to hit all of these when you're working up a return is that it'll automatically put all of the worksheets for you in the left on the tree, and they'll be listed as red, which tells you that you're not done with this return until all the red is gone. So I can now click on this W-2 worksheet, and up comes the W-2, and I can then proceed from there. So this has been a short tutorial on how to use part 3, 4, and 5 of the intake form.